Okay, so now we're back to the dice. I've drawn a little, I've zoomed in a little bit so we can see the numbers. So try to stay in this, inside of this little box I've drawn. So we're gonna pick a dice and we're gonna have some competition. Why don't you go ahead and pick first? What color do you want to pick?
I think I like being red.
Okay, awesome. That actually, funny enough, is what James Prime suggested to pick.
Well,
So what can you tell me about this dice? Don't cover it up with your hand.
okay.
What can you tell me about this dice?
It has a 9 on it, like
Yeah.
you can see on the top face, and then it has 1, 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.
It has 5 4s and
And
1 9. Wow, that's an interesting dice. Okay, let's see if we can find somebody who that dice is going to beat. 5 4s and 1 9.
Maybe this dice that has 5, it has 4 3s. Yeah, 4 3s and 2 8s.
4 3s and 2 8s. Okay,
Well-
cool. Let's see what would happen in the competition. It has 4 3s and 2 8s. So
Well-
if we have a competition of red versus yellow. This
Well-
has 1 9 and 5 4s.
Yep.
Okay.
So, but even if, these 4s, the 4s here, they beat the 3s.
Ah, okay. So how often are we going to roll 4s?
We're gonna roll 4s 5 out of 6 times.
Okay, 5 out of 6 times.
Times,
And then-
How much are we going? How often do we win when we roll a 4?
It's 4 6, 2/3 of the time because you have 4 3s.
Ah, okay. So I'll say 4 6. We'll just keep everything on over 36.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right. So when I roll a 4, I win 4 6 of the time because you said I had 4 3s on that dice. All right. And how about when I roll the 9? How often do I
When
win?
you roll a 9,
You win all of the time.
All right. So plus 1 6 times 1.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's 20 36 plus 6 36.
Yeah.
So who wins that competition?
That would be 26 out of 36, so this die would win.
The red die
Would win.
beats the yellow die 26 out of 36 times. Okay, very good.
Alright.
Let's look at another one.
Right.
Well, who do you want to? So the red defeats yellow. So we know red is bigger than yellow. Okay.
Should we pick another one for red to beat?
Yeah, let's see what happens when red faces off against somebody else.
Alright, let's try this one.
Well,
The purple dice.
All right. Who should we have the purple dice go against?
the purple die should go against the red die.
All right. Let's see what happens. What's on the purple die?
The purple die has 1, 2, 3. Oh, that would be 1, 2. Oh, how can we count?
Let's see.
One
You have 3 6s
and
yeah.
3.
4 6s and 2 1s.
All right. So this has 4 6s. The purple die has 4 6s and 2 1s. And what does the red die have?
It
It has
5 4s and 1 9.
5 4s and 1 9. Okay. So which dice do you want to examine for the rolls here?
Let's examine the purple die.
Okay. What happens when we roll a 6?
When we roll a 6, you
Beat the red.
What did I even write here? 2 1s? Is that what it is? 2 1s.
Yes, you beat the red guy. Beat the red die.
die. Well, that would be 5.
5/6 of the time if you roll a 6 on.
If I roll- because the 6 beats everybody but the 9, right? So
Yeah.
4 6 of the time I win.
You win. But you win. You win with rolling a 6.
Yeah, right. I roll a 6 and I win how often when I roll a 6?
You
You
win
win
5,
5/6 of the time.
Okay. And what about when I roll a 1?
You lose.
I lose.
Yeah, you always lose.
So this wins 20 36 of the time. So is purple Bigger than red or less than red?
It's bigger.
Bigger than red.
Okay, purple is bigger than red. Okay, very good. Let's. I'm gonna break it here. We'll move on to the next one.
Yeah.